Here I have HUAWEI P30 and let me show you how to perform a hard reset through the secret code. So at first you have to open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *## 284 657 9 ###. And now you're in project menu. Here you've got several options, but one of them, the fifth one, is restore factory, so it's the hard reset. If you want to wipe all data from your device, just click on this option, so restore factory. Now you have to confirm that you are sure that you want to do it. You will lose all the personal data. Just click OK if you are sure that you want to perform this operation. And now give your device a while, because it has to delete all the information from your HUAWEI, and then you will be able to set up your phone as a new one. So it's very worth using once you are selling your phone. You can be sure that there will be no personal data included in your HUAWEI P30. And that's it. As you can see, now you can set up this device as a new one. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.